So we've got out a film because we knew that we made it from heart. It was very special to all of us, and we wanted to tell the people that this is what exactly happened. Missions, there is a possibility for loss of life. Casualties are there.
Priyamani, thank you for giving us your time. We
Thank
met
you.
last year
Yes,
in
we
Abu
did.
Dhabi.
Yes, we did.
And that was, of course, for IFA again. And we meet again. So
Again
it's
for
like
IFA.
IFA special,
Yes.
IFA special performances and collaborations. How excited are you for tonight?
Super excited, very happy. I'm really, really hoping that, first of all, congratulations to IFA for crossing 25 years. And here's wishing more. And apart from that, this year is a little more special for me personally because I've been nominated for a film that's extremely close to my heart and everybody, the makers' hearts as well. I think they should be somewhere behind. I think all of them are on their way.
I did speak to them and they're absolutely excited.
Yeah. So we're
Yes.
super excited and may the best person win.
Yes, we're talking about Article 370 and we're also talking about the impact that the film left on the viewers.
Yes.
There were, of course, a section that were absolutely floored by the content, of course, also the performances and yours in particular. But there were also, a section that wasn't very happy with it. How did you deal with that part of maybe criticism, if I could say?
See, we can't. See, we've got out a film because we knew that we made it from heart. It was very special to all of us, and we wanted to tell the people that this is what exactly happened.
True.
Because when the article was abrogated, I'm sure, if not everybody, at least some of them would have been ignorant. They wouldn't have known what the abrogation of the article meant.
Right.
But once it was done, and the way it was done is what we have shown.
Right.
You can say maybe about 5% in the film is probably, what we say cinematic liberty, as in with the fights and, the song and things like that. But majority of the portion was what actually happened, and the best part is the generally such missions, there is a possibility for loss of life. Casualties are there, but this was one such operation which took place so smoothly that not even a single drop of blood was shed.
Exactly.
That was the instructions given by our honorable PM, saying this is what I want and this is how it should be. And finally we got the recognition from him,
Right.
from
And that was a huge
from the big
moment.
man himself. And what else did we need? And the way it was in real life is what we
Right.
portrayed on screen, and we're very happy that it's been received really well. So the mindset that people had before watching the film and after watching the film is completely different. So
Right.
they had a point of view before the film released, but the same people, once the movie released, they changed their opinion and said, this is not what we thought it would be. So I think that itself is victory.
Right. When we talk about your performances, Priyamani, they're all so powerful, so impactful. I would want you to revisit two of those performances that you haven't really been able to detach yourself from. What would those be?
No, see, I won't say I couldn't detach myself from it.
No, that's the applause coming for you also.
No. I could hear somebody say Team India. But yes, Team India, come on. I hope India wins.
Yes.
And
This won't stop.
okay. And but for me, I'm more of a spot on, spot off person. So I don't take back anything with me.
Right. You just talked about cricket. We have to talk to you about, how Anushka is also sort of blamed when Virat's performance suffers. And I think, that's very misogynist. What do you have to say?
It's not fair. I mean, you can't see the moment somebody. I'm not talking in context of Virat per se, Virat and Anushka, but I'm saying if somebody.
This won't stop.
Hey, India's winning.
I think India is
India won!
winning.
Woohoo! India won! Yay! We're the champions of 2025. Woo!
Yes.
So, see, I would say this that, on the contrary, if India wins, they would say good things about Anushka or people involved with the family. But the moment they don't do proper, it's very easy to blame, the partner or the spouse, which is not. It should not be true. It's not true. It should not do that because a life partner is as important as, because that's his personal life.
Right.
And a life partner is equally important. Maybe it was not his day that particular day.
True.
But the next minute, the next day, if he performs well, people forget about that and they say only good things.
Right.
So I think that mindset should change.
Any cricketer that you always wanted to meet? Maybe a childhood crush that you would like to reveal?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar?
And MSD.
Oh my God. So you remember the first time you met Sachin and
I haven't
MSG?
met him.
You haven't met either of them. How is it possible, Premani?
Well, I went to the grounds long back. I think when IPL was just started, when IPL had just started. So I'd gone to Bangalore, and because I was in Bangalore then, and then RCB was playing CSK.
Right.
And so I happened to sit in the hospitality.
Yeah.
So I happened to sit in the hospitality box and see all of them, but I never have actually met anyone in person to say hi, hello. So
What do you want to tell me? My crush.
big fan, love you both.
All right. Thank you so much for speaking
Thank you,
to us.
thank you.
Thank you.